Hey guys, we're back. First of all, I want to say sorry that we haven't uploaded a video in about a month. We've been busy with school and gardening, but anyways, today we're going to be making chicken biryani. Biryani is a mixed rice dish and is supposed to have originated from Persia, modern-day Iran. However, it seems to have been perfected and made popular in India, by the Muslims actually. It's a very festive dish served at the celebration of Eid. There are thousands of recipes for biryani out there, and numerous ways of preparing the dish. For example, you could use beef, lamb, chicken like we are going to, fish, and even vegetables and egg. The recipe that I'm going to show you is the one we use in our family. I hope you will like it, and I look forward to your feedback after you have tried the recipe. Let's get started. First off, the ingredients. These are the quantities we use. Of course, you can feel free to modify the quantities of the ingredients to your taste. Okay, now for the main ingredients, you're going to need 3 onions sliced, 3 minced cloves of garlic, 3 crushed cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon minced ginger, 2 minced green chilies, 3 chopped tomatoes, 1.5 kilos of chicken, also 1 liter of chicken stock, 2 cups basmati rice, and 3 quartered potatoes. Okay, for the masala, you're going to need 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of ground cumin powder. You're going to need 5 centimeters of cinnamon. You're also going to need 5 green cardamom pods, 10 cloves, 1 tablespoon ground cardamom, 4 whole black cardamom, 1 bay leaf from my grandmother's garden in Santarchet, Aldona, Goa. You're also going to need 1 pinch of saffron steeped in warm milk. Now, saffron is very expensive. It is more expensive than gold and is also sold by the gram like gold. You will also need ground black cardamom. Oops. Then you'll need cinnamon powder, chili powder and turmeric, 3 tablespoons of ghee, and 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. You'll also need 1 tablespoon of ground black pepper, also a few chopped coriander leaves, half a cup of coconut milk, a few cashews or pine nuts if you prefer, and 4 tablespoons of yogurt. Okay, so now it is time to fry the chicken. So first of all, is you want to take some coconut oil. It's 3 tablespoons of coconut oil actually, that's what I meant to say, and put it in a pan. Put the pan onto high and let this get nice and hot. Okay, now, once warm, put in the potatoes. Now, you're going to let the potatoes fry until they are golden brown. Gonna have to keep doing this, stir it, and we'll turn the heat down to say 3, as if you're using electric. If you're using gas, turn it to medium. Alright, so we're back. I'm now going to take the potatoes off, and then I will braise the chicken. Alright, now let me grab the chicken. I don't need these anyways. And I'm just going to lay them side by side like this. There we go. Okay, so I turned it on to high. Now the chicken is brown on one side, and you're gonna want to flip it. If I can just get hold of it, There we go. A lovely golden brown. Look at that. And go to this one. And there. That one's stuck there, sorry guys. Okay. It's all flipped. You're going to want to let it sit for another 3 or 5 minutes. And once that's done, you have to move it. Okay, so the chicken is now golden brown. So I am going to now take it off and just set it on this plate. I have to stack it up. Just show you, nice on both sides. And as you can see, it's caramelized. Okay, so now we're going to fry the onions and garlic. So take 1 cup of the onions and put it in the frying pan. Now take the, wait, let me just even this out. Now you're also going to want to caramelize all of this. Now take the minced garlic and also put that in. Okay, now I'm going to put in the green chili. And then put all of the ginger in. And now I'm going to add the other spices. I'm going to add black pepper. There. Turmeric and chili powder. Just do this. Okay. Stir that in. The ground cumin. Stir that. The salt, all of it. And the tomato, also all of it. And you're going to want to fry this. Okay, it's now fried well. Now I need to add the yogurt. Now remember, when stirring this, you need to stir it well, otherwise it'll get stuck and burn, and that's a very bad thing. Now add the coconut milk. Coconut milk, stir that in. There's a bit some in there. Scrape that out. Okay. There. And the ground cardamom. Sorry, ground cinnamon. And now the ground cardamom. Just add half of this container. Now, but before I do that, let me put the chicken in. Set that in and let it marinate, basically. Okay, and now I'm going to cover it. Okay, so the chicken is cooking, as you can see, but that's going to take some time, so I'm going to get working on the rice. So, the first thing I'm going to do is put in the ghee. Okay, that's the ghee. Now, I'm going to let it melt. Alright, so now to put in the bay leaf and the cinnamon and all. And I'm going to add the cashews or pine nuts, whichever you're using. I'm using cashews. and onion and the rest of the garlic. Okay, so it's done frying now. The chicken is done cooking. I'm going to add in the rice. Just pour it in nice and slow. And whatever is left. Okay, so the rice is coated. I'm just going to get my brother to pour in the chicken for me. Can you do that? Yeah. Very slowly. Yeah, there we go. Just scrape that in. Okay, so I've added some chicken stock to the chicken pan to clear it up. Now I'm going to pour it into the rice. Okay, done with that. Just stir that in. I'm now going to add the rest of the chicken stock. Just pour it in slowly. It could splash. There we go. Okay, so it's all stirred in. I am now going to add the potato. So, just add all of this in. And cover it. Bring it to a quick boil. And then turn it to low and let it simmer down. Then after 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, it should be good. You'll have to trust that it'll be okay. But do not open it whatsoever. Okay, so it has been cooking for 20 minutes. During that time period, I did not open the lid at all, because doing so lets out the steam, and that steam is vital for the cooking. But now, I am going to open it. Set the lid over there, and you can see what it's like. There's a piece of chicken right there. You can see it in there. Now, I'm going to pour in the saffron, which is the last step. Saffron, you just kind of have to drizzle it like this. And done. Voila. Okay, so it's time for a taste test. It's amazing. I wish you guys could smell it. If you want to smell it, make it. It smells amazing. Now, my brothers are waiting patiently to eat because this takes quite a while to make, like 2 hours. And I'm gonna serve them now, so let me do that. Okay. And take some yogurt, put a dollop of it on top. And that's really all. Oh, one more thing though. The bay leaf, this, don't eat this because it can cut your mouth. So if you want, remove that after cooking and just get rid of it. Hey guys, if you enjoyed that video, don't forget to tell us below in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. See you next time.